welcome back. So to start, I'm sorry I look so busted right now. I just woke up and I'm not gonna do like any makeup or anything to clean my room, as you can tell by the title. So, really, welcome back. I've been kind of on a hiatus for a little over a month now, and not because I wanted to stop making videos, but it was coming to the end of my semester at college, so I really needed to focus on things that were due in my class and my finals, and I just had to put YouTube on a little pause. But now it is summer and I'm back and I'm ready to put my full heart and energy into you guys and into making content. So be ready for all of that. Recently I've been really inspired by Gabby Hanna. I'll put her video down below. But she's been cleaning like different sections of her house and like getting her life together. So I think I know I'm going to do the same thing. I have like a weird obsession with seeing people like get their shit together. I don't know why, but I do. In my videos, I want to clean different sections of my room to lead up to a room tour for you guys. So today I want to clean my desk. And I have not touched that thing in God knows how long, because the problem with going to school is your room gets really messy, because when you're home for break, you don't want to do any of it, and you just want to hang out with your friends and do nothing and be on break. And then you come home for summer and you're like, I didn't clean anything. And then you come home to the messiest room possible. My room literally looks like a tornado went through it. Like, there is everywhere. So before we get started, make sure you go down below and hit subscribe. Also, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and follow me on all my social media, Twitter and Instagram. You know the drill. And let's just hop right into the cleaning. Like I said, my problem is that like I kept going to school and I kept throwing more on my desk and being like, oh, I'll clean it when I come back. And that never happened when I came back, so now it's a problem now. Just prepare yourselves, because this desk is really, really messy, but I'm getting my together and I'm getting my life together. Here's the grand reveal in 3, 2, 1. So, yeah, this is kinda the desk situation. Like I said, I kept throwing crap on top of it because I was like, I'll deal with it later, but now it's later. And we also might get to this today and clean out those drawers and clean up the stuff on top. Let's just get right into cleaning because we have a lot to do here. So we got the big hefty leaf bags, and what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to split everything into piles on the floor, and I'm going to split it into trash, has a different place, or stays in the desk. So let's just get started with that. Okay, so we're going to start with this mess. I'm going to start on the top of the desk, and I'm going to be splitting the piles on the floor so you guys won't be able to see, but I will show you guys the end product. gonna go inside. I'm gonna change the camera angle though, so let's just get into it. All of this crap came out of this drawer, and now we are going to move on to this drawer, and then we will move down to the bottom of the desk. I literally just spent all that time opening it. I got it to the opening and I flipped it and it didn't open. So that was 20 minutes of nothing. Okay, so we got everything off the desk. Now let's go under there. I cleaned up everything down there. This is just like other stuff, like this is like school stuff, school yearbook, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna keep that there. Everything is clean in there. I think now I'm going to move on to this little area right here. Don't mind the laundry, but we're gonna move on to this, clean out these drawers and all of that stuff. Okay, so this is going to stay up here for now because when I do move my room around, which surprise, I'm moving my room around, this is going to go underneath the desk at some point. So all of this stuff is just going to have to stay in here and stay over here. So now this little cabinet is done. All of this stuff on top, it just needs to have a new place to go because like these books are ones that I'm not getting rid of. All those drawers are empty except for the bottom one. Those are just a few like, you know, sentimental things, and the desk is done. So that lamp is eventually going to go away. So the desk will be a lot more empty than this. But yeah, I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get started on some other stuff. I think what I'm going to wind up doing is I'm going to start this mess. So same deal as last time, I'm going to be doing 3 piles on the floor of keep on the dresser, put away somewhere different, or just trash. But it's on the floor so you guys obviously can't see it. Again, same thing as last time. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is, because I had so much makeup on that dresser, I think I'm going to empty out this drawer, this one right here, and I'm going to do that, only that drawer for now, just so I can like start putting my makeup back in there so I won't have to leave it on the dresser itself. So let's just hop right into that. While I'm cleaning out my makeup cabinet, if you haven't seen my video of me reviewing the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, click here to go watch. Wound up finishing all of this, and I cleaned out my makeup drawer, and it still doesn't look clean out, but I had to put more stuff in it, so that's why it looks like that. Hi everyone, so I'm currently editing this video and realized that I never did an outro and I never finished cleaning after I showed you guys that clip. So these books are donations, and I cleaned up a little more of my room after I had finished this video. I cleaned the thing behind me, I only cleaned the top of it, but today I'm actually going to go through the drawers the same day that I'm actually wearing like this stuff and I'm putting it up. But I'm going to be cleaning up my drawers, but I think what I want to do is I want to do a closet video because that'll be like a lot more interesting than like, you know, just sorting out things in my room, because like this has a lot of interesting stuff in it that I have no idea what's in there. I'm going to end off today's video here, but I do hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let me know in the comments if you do like this video and if you want more content like this, because I really do want to cater content to what you guys actually want. Also, make sure you go and follow me on all my social media, Twitter and Instagram. You guys know the drill, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys!
So hold on, honey, don't you let me